All right, just got this one. This is a 1956 Ford Fairlane Victoria. A bit of a barn find. 56 Fairlane Victoria. Nice car. A friend of mine had it up the road. This is about as close to the shop as we've ever picked one up. It's like 5 miles from the shop. Factory peacock blue and diamond blue car, 2-door hardtop. 292 Thunderbird. It's nighttime, it's dark. And it is barn fresh and as solid as a rock. We've done quite a few of these 55, 6, 7 Chevys, Fords, and this is about as solid as we've ever had. Hadn't found any rust on it anywhere. Floors are perfect, quarters are perfect. And that's the original paint's just chipping off here or there. Hard to see much of it at night. And it may look even better at night, who knows? The glass is excellent. Trunk pan's perfect. It's just years of dust and dirt settled on it. We'll keep you posted.